Well, good morning. This is Pastor Terry with a weekly plus weather outlook. And again, this will actually take us through Memorial Day weekend, which is kind of the kickoff to summer. And the question is, will it be like summer or are there changes coming? Well, let's take a look and see. As we kind of look at a little preview here for the week, kind of what's looking ahead is that the northwest flow aloft continues. It's a dry flow. It's been a dry flow. It will continue to be a dry flow. Could there be some changes for Memorial Day weekend? Again, we'll have to look at that and see. Otherwise, this week, lots of sunshine, a few areas of clouds here and there. 70s today, 70s Tuesday and Wednesday. Chance of a shower storm Wednesday afternoon with a pretty potent front coming down out of the north. So we'll have to watch and see. The storms will be coming out of the north, so it might be a pretty decent shot of them. So we'll have to see. Then cooler 60s on Thursday, 70 Friday, and 70s on Saturday again. Now, the question is looking ahead. Could there be some showers or perhaps even a little bit of rain on Sunday? It's possible Memorial Day, same possible thing. It could do that, right? Could this be a wetter pattern to develop? It depends on how it sets up. It could be that things are going to start flipping around and changing a little bit, make a little wetter pattern. That is possible. Or will the rain stay away because there is a little bit of a split on what's going to be happening. If it stays dry, it's going to heat up. So we'll have to see how that goes. But as of right now, we are in a northwest flow. As you can see here this morning, look at this. Lots of clear. Look at this. All of this. There's a few areas of clouds around, but look at all that clear skies. Yep, northwest flow. So guess what? Yep, lots of sunshine for the most part. Yes, you get a few areas of clouds, but they will clear out and you will continue to have fair weather. Radar, little bit across the south, down in here, and maybe some stuff up here in Canada, but otherwise there just isn't much going on. It's pretty quiet. So here we go. When it's quiet, guess what you're going to see. But what I want you to watch is down in here in the south part. Watch that area because that may have a factor in our weather. So first off, what do you see in our region? Dry today. This goes, that was Tuesday. This goes to Wednesday. There's that front. This is a fairly decent front coming through here. Now, when this front comes on through, it's coming out of the northwest, which is a better direction. It should be able to give us a decent chance of some showers and maybe a thunderstorm. In other words, maybe as much rain as we did on Saturday, which for our area wasn't much. So we'll have to see. And then Thursday, dry. Friday, dry. Saturday, dry. But you notice what's beginning to develop down in here. Almost all the models have something down here. Afterwards, they depart. Some of them bring this stuff up into our area. Some bring it more like this towards New England, and they skip our area. Some try to keep it down here, so it stays south of our area. In other words, they don't know, right? So I'm just going to show you the middle of the road option here. Middle of the road here says one possible idea is that what happens is it starts showers, some rain, light rain stuff start coming in here on Sunday. For Memorial Day, you'd have scattered showers, perhaps periods of rain, depending on how it does. If this were to occur like this, the model showing that storm just disappearing, that's not going to happen like that. It'd be more so. It's not going to destroy it that quickly, but there would still be showers and stuff around. It shows some here for Tuesday, Wednesday, because it's depicting the idea that we're going to have a change in a pattern that kind of stays that way. So I want to give you an illustration of what's happening here, why this model is doing this. Right now, this is our current condition, is we have a northwest flow, dry air. This is a flow aloft is northwest that's dry, right? Okay. By the time you get to this weekend, it's showing whoa, this is a southeast type of flow. That's a more moist flow. Then you start getting to that moisture. By the end of next week, later at the end of next week, you start seeing a more southwest flow. And what that means is it would mean a more humid, moist flow as well. So we'll have to see whether or not that pans out. Temperature-wise, pretty confident through Saturday. 70s today, again, 70s tomorrow, and then 70s again. I think we'll get near 80 on Wednesday before that front comes through. As you can see where that front is Thursday, quite a bit cooler temperatures into the 60s. Friday, near 70 degrees, which should be pretty decent. By the time we get to Saturday, we're just rolling back into, I think, we're probably, 70s to near 80 degrees, perhaps, depending on clouds and so forth that may come in. But then for Sunday, if we get the rain, it could be quite chilly in the 50s. So again, that's just going to depend how that sets up. But right now, I'm calling for, temperatures probably in the 60s at this point, but we'll have to see. We'll know more. And then Monday with some sun and clouds, we get into the 70s, and then more rain is showing in 60s. So really in the extended forecast, and again, you're looking at 60s there again. Again, what we see here again, the northwest flow is there, but I just want to look at the things, confident, very high confidence through Saturday for us. 70s Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, shower thunderstorm Wednesday, 60s on Thursday, 70 Friday, 70s again on Saturday. Very high confidence. Looking ahead, definitely much lower confidence. There could be some showers. If we get the showers, it's going to be really cool. If they're just going to be sun and clouds with a pop-up shower here and there, temperatures will be in the 70s. If it's more of a showery rain type of thing, we'll be in the 50s. So it could be a decent weekend. It could also be a very wet weekend too. Starting, Sunday and Monday, I'm talking about here, Memorial Day, the holiday. So we'll have to see. We'll know more details as the week goes on. But otherwise, this week is dry again. Enjoy it. You could use some rain, and that would be good. So, hey, anyway, have a great day, and God bless.